Okay, welcome back to our program here on Inside Bicol, and our guest for tonight is Director Rebecca Olayon, who is the Regional Director of the Department of Budget and Management. Okay, we'll talk now on another matter. No, this is about the establishment of a procurement office within the Department of Budget and Management. As far as I know, there was this office that was organized in order for the government to buy in bulk and make it easier for some of the agencies to withdraw some of their requirements. So siguro ako itong tama. Ma'am, tell us more about kaining procurement office. Ano ang kaining?
The procurement service was organized way back to 1970s pa yata. Oo, haloy na. It's in Paco, Manila. They have a depot there. Tapos, nag-establish naman sila ng depot sa mga regional offices ng Department of Budget and Management under the management and supervision of the Regional Director of DBM. Our depot in Legazpi is inside our lote sa DBM. It's still very small, but we are looking for a big warehouse para madagdagan ang stocks na pwede ming ibenta. Because we are selling common office supplies. So, gabos na common office supplies na gamit ng mga government agencies, local government units, and government corporations are available at the procurement service.
Okay. How do they buy sa Indo? Ano yan? Magibo lang sinda ng PO, and then what about yung budget na naka-retain yan o madala sinda ng check?
Ano naman? At the beginning of the year, they are supposed to submit to us an annual procurement plan so that we will know ano yung kanilang mga requirements so that we can make the necessary stocking sa aming depot. Tapos, regularly, they will withdraw. Tapos, they will issue a check payable to the procurement service once na pumunta sila doon sa sa Legazpi, sa procurement service.
So with that, they don't anymore have to go to bidding, kung bibilin sa inyo kasi na-process na yan.
Yes, oo. Ang bidding was done sa procurement service namin sa head office.
So that saves the government agencies, aside from getting a bulk purchase na makakabarato, ito pang time element na ma-bidding, because na-bid na kayo.
Plus, hindi kami nag-i-impose ng tax.
Battery.
Oo. So kung ano talaga yung price ng andun, walang deduction ng tax yun.
Now, but what about the quality? Kung minsan baga nagsasabi ang quality niya maluya.
Meron kaming quality control sa central office. Although siguro there are times na may mga nakakalusot man na bond paper, but we encourage the agencies to tell us so that we will no longer buy from these suppliers.
If the item that they are going to buy is not available, pwede na sila magbakal sa iba.
They will get a certification from us that the item is not available to the procurement service, so they can buy outside.
Okay. So even barangays pwedeng magbakal sa indo. Now, do they have to go there to find out the list, or available yan sa website nindo na these are the items that are available here? O maduman muna sinda, maaraman nila kung ikaw.
Pwede silang mag-fax ng kanilang APP, tapos makikita duman kung available sa Stocksmith. They can call kung available. Or baka i-order mi pa sa Manila, they will just wait for a week maybe. Tapos maapod sinda. Kung available na, they will go there to get the goods.
Okay. So, anyway, in a nutshell, the objective is that you buy in bulk, so that the other government agencies will have a better price.
Yes.
And then easier to get this. Now, let's talk about another matter, tungkol digdi sa PhilJet. Aram ta na one of the requirements when you implement a project, whether you're a barangay, is for you to publicize it, to let the people know kung ano ang babakalon mo, ano ibibid mo sa ang project na yan, magkano ang halaga niyan, sabgod, sisay anang gana, kaya rin yan pupunan, And they have to enroll duman sa PhilJet, which is now utilizing itong internet. So, tell us more about this.
So, kung may internet connection sila sa place nila, malaog lang sila sa website ang PhilJet, tapos maano na sila duman. But if they do not have internet connection, they can go to our office, do the posting there, nag-comply na sila doon sa
They cannot buy
requirement
unless
under
they have
9184.
They cannot do a project unless mag-publish in sa PhilJet.
Sa PhilJet,
So,
yes.
kung dahil hindi mag-publish, it's going to be a violation.
Yes, baka ma-disallow ng commission on audit later.
So,
Kung di nag-comply naman sa requirement sa RA 9184.
So, ikaw mga tao niya sabi na, dahil may aram kung ano ang pagbabaraka, dahil may aram kung ano mga project. So, all they have to go is to
Go to the website.
Sa website,
Yes,
Siguro ang iba kaya, simple di man masyadong familiar dyan. Kaya siguro nagsasabi din sinda. But one thing is clear here that before any government agency can undertake a project, they must first put it dyan sa PhilJet para maaraman sa mga tao, no?
Pero I think naman mayo ng DAI aware because we have been conducting trainings on the provisions of RA 9184 down to the barangay officials.
Okay. So maybe on the side kang mga government personnel, no reason sabihin ng days in the
Yes.
kuya lang kamo.
Nagko-conduct kami ng training.
Kamo. Ang kuya lang is itong general public whether they're also aware.
Yun lang.
Kuyan. So how do they get kuya lang sinda pag internet and then PhilJets maluwas na duman. Now I understand ikaw ang mga supplier na gusto man mag-participate diyan. Pero na-registered sinda dyan, kangan makaiba sinda sa bidding, ano?
Kaipuan registered sinda.
Registered
Tapos,
sinda.
pagbukas nila, may ilinda, may pabidding pala sa Batangas, or sa Mindanao, maiiling nila gabos yan dyan. So, they can bid kung qualified sila.
Okay. So, in short, that's one way of being transparent.
Yes.
Na maaraman mo, no?
Transparency
Kasi siguro,
talaga.
ang mga tao talaga, bantayan yan. O limbawa sa rong banwaan, dumansin da sa munisipyo ninda, agadon si website, and then ilingunan ninda. So, mayong rason na sabihin nga ninda aram ang mga patrabaho, tayaon dyan sa sa PhilJet. Ano? Ang iba lang sabi nga, deterrent ka. Siyempre kung mga LDM para laan mo dyan kung siya ang ng project, maaraman yan, sarap man lang pala niya si contractor. O sarap man lang pala niya si source magpapakalan ng medisina.
In fact, kahit yung sa releases para sa legislators, yun sa Priority Development Assistance Fund, there is now a provision that it should be placed in the website ng mga departments, ng mga local government units, na igwasin tinao si congressman or si senator na ganito, ito ang project, ito ang amount, ito yung contractor na nanalo, ngayon mag-start, ngayon date matatapos. So, the public can monitor. Pag sinabi man igwang patrabaho sa Abella, Naga City, halimbawa, they can go there and check.
Saan sa PhilJet yun?
Hindi, sa website naman ng mga agencies.
Yes. Ang problema kaya, ang iba nga dyan, although aram tama na the government is encouraging, in fact, it's a must that gabos na mga LGUs, mga agencies, magkaigwaning website. Sometimes the problem is that they just open it, but they don't update it too. Kaya kung minsan, pag inapunta, gawin kami website. Pero di man nag-hero. Di man updated. Kaya kung minsan, di man yan ang problema. Well, of course, nasa tao man yan. Kung si mga constituent niya naman sa banwaan, keep on looking into it. If run ninda si LGN ninda, siyempre mapipiritan na magkuyan. Now, if let's say, apot ko niyo, if let's say daing kuyan, talagang movement dyan as far as the budget releases, can they write to the budget and then ask, ano itong project nito? May releases to o Mayo? Assuming na po yan.
Oo.
At available yan.
Yes.
So, duman sa opisina nindo, you have information.
Yes, they are all public documents naman.
Okay. Pwede pala sila magsulat nila. Ano yan, ma'am? When you say lahat na funded projects, when they release to the regional offices o sa district, you are provided with that information. Yung mga releases.
Para lang duman sa mga under our coverage. Kasi, as of today, ang delegated authority lang sa MUYA are the release for DepEd, DPWH, DOH, and SUCs, TESDA, and CHED. Yun lang.
What do you mean by that? So,
ibig sabihin, kung sa NIA or DA, central office may ang nag-release. We are not furnished
Ah,
copies
see.
kasi bako kami ang nag-release.
So,
and,
yun ang pwedeng sabihin tangani na they may not be able to get the full information because they na nag-makuna sa Indo.
They ipa-delegated
Diretso
sa
dyan,
mo,
ano?
yes. Like
Oh.
DSWD, they pa man siya
So, yun,
delegated
okay.
sa
Let's talk about DSWD. DSWD is releasing a lot of money dyan sa Pantawid, di ba? Ang
for
tawag natin
peace.
dyan, no? Now, are you telling me na si mga releases dyan, dahil man diretso sa DSWD, in short, you're not...
Yung bureau na in charge ng DSWD sa central office, nagre-release sa regional office ng DSWD.
But naning kwensa Indo, let's say
Mayon
copy
na.
furnish Indo.
Yes.
Okay, so in short, you have to go directly sa DSWD kung gusto mong maaraman
Yes,
ang yan, ang releases. Now,
But later, pag ginamit kami pag monitor, may i-inform kami kaiyan. Kasi kung isabihin sa mo na i-monitor nila ang implementation, like recently yun sa Upland Reforestation Program ng DNR, we will furnish copies kasi pinamonitor sa mo yung implementation sa Region 5.
okay, so that is only when you're asked to monitor.
Yes.
No? Pero as far as yung
Yung regular na
makamong-
hindi naman. Like DA, DNR, hindi naman dumadaan
hindi
sa
naman
mo
yan, okay, dumadaan. So, at least we know na there are certain areas pa lang dahil man na naagi sa Indo. Now, what about commission na we talk about releases, request for release of funds? Does it pass through your office o diretso na sa Manila?
Yun, yung halimbawa yun sa DepEd, mga retirement, sambayan na lang yan.
Sa Indo na yan?
Yes.
okay.
They don't have to go to Manila to follow up yung mga retirement ng mga teachers. Sa regional office ng DepEd, itataw sa mo sa
What
regional
about public
office.
works?
Yes.
Sa Indo man?
Yes.
So, in short, my project, ma-follow up si district engineer. He doesn't have to go to the central office. Sa Indo, central ma-follow up.
Unless yung project na yun, release sa central office ang ma-implement.
Yes, because may sinasabi kita bagang special projects office.
Yeah, lalo yung mga foreign assisted projects, usually sa head office lang.
Sa head office yan. Okay. Okay. So, later we'll talk about the internal revenue allotment. I'm sure that a lot of viewers, especially dyan sa mga banwaan, would like to know. And siguro pagbulayan ta ang how do you compute ang internal revenue allotment?
Yes.
So, don't go away. We'll be back.